Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video. So I'm going to show you how I make some ear bands for some masks. This is a great alternative if you're out of elastic. This is an old t-shirt, and I am going to cut a strip that is no more than 3/4 of an inch wide. Doesn't work too well if it's over 3/4 of an inch. I found 3/4 of an inch is just perfect. Okay, so I have that cut. Pull that out of the way. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to give it a gentle tug all the way around. Okay, so I have done that all the way around, and let's see if I can get a good picture. Okay, so it has curled up. You can kind of, okay, so it has curled in on itself. And there you go. There's a set of ear bands, and how much you use depends on the size of the mask you're making and the person you're making it for. But, that will do at least 2 masks for most purposes. It doesn't have a ton of stretch, just a little bit, so you either fit it real well, or, so let's say this is your loop in your mask. If you actually make it too long, then when you put it on, you can twist it like that, and your ear would go in here, and you'll get a little bit tighter fit.